Hi everyone, welcome back to Hana. In today's video, we're going to crochet this cute mini bag in a soft lavender color. It has a beautiful ribbed texture and a simple round handle, giving it a clean and elegant look. This bag measures about 9 by 9 inches, approximately 23 by 23 centimeters, perfect for your everyday essentials. I'll also show you how to easily adjust the size to fit your preference. It's beginner-friendly and really fun to make, so grab your yarn and hook, and let's start crocheting together. For this project, I'm using a lightweight yarn in a soft lavender color. This is a cotton yarn blended with polyester to make it more sturdy and hold its shape better. You can use any yarn you like. You'll need about 7 ounces, around 200 grams. I'm using a 3mm crochet hook. You'll also need a pair of scissors, a yarn needle, a stitch marker, a measuring tape, and a few extras, a couple of round clasps, a magnetic snap button, matching thread, and a sewing needle. All right, let's get started. We're going to begin with a slip knot. And now we're going to chain 91 for the foundation row. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Keep chaining gently until you have a total of 91 chains. Here are my 91 chains. They measure about 18 inches, which is roughly 46 centimeters. This foundation chain will be twice the height of the bag body, including the base. To help you visualize, let me show you a finished piece. This length here matches the foundation chain. This will be the top opening of the bag, this is the body, and this is the base. We'll fold it in half and join the sides to form the bag. So if you'd like to adjust the size, you can simply change the number of chains at the beginning to match your desired bag height. Just remember, the foundation chain should be an odd number. Now let's move on to row 1. This is the first chain from the hook. We'll skip it and insert our hook into the second chain to make a single crochet. First, make 5 single crochets. One, 2, 3, 4, 5. Next, we'll make 35 half double crochets. Place a stitch marker in the first half double crochet, then continue working the rest. I've completed 35 half double crochets. Now place another stitch marker in the 35th stitch. Next, make 10 single crochets. Then continue with 35 half double crochets. Don't forget to mark the first and last stitches of this section. Finally, make 5 more single crochets to complete row 1. To begin row 2, chain 1 and turn your work. For this row, we'll be working in back loop only. That means we'll insert the hook into the inner loop, the loop that's farther away from you, instead of under the full V. Just like row 1, we'll start with 5 single crochets. Then continue with 35 half double crochets, next 10 single crochets, then 35 half double crochets, and finish with 5 single crochets, just like row 1. For the following rows, continue working in blow the same way as row 2. Keep crocheting until you reach your desired width. And for both sides of the bag to be symmetrical, try to crochet an odd number of rows. I've completed 33 rows, which gives the bag a width of about 9 inches, or approximately 23 centimeters. Now we're going to start joining the 2 sides of the bag. Cut a piece of yarn about 3 times the height of the bag. Pull the yarn through and thread it onto a needle. Insert the needle under the stitch, like this. Then insert it under the corresponding stitch on the other side. Pull the yarn through. Continue joining the next stitches in the same way. When you reach the end, tie a small knot to secure the seam so it won't come undone. Then gently weave in the loose yarn ends to keep everything nice and neat. Now we'll repeat the same steps on the other side of the bag. Once both sides are joined, turn the bag right side out and gently shape it to give your bag a nice, clean form. Now we're going to move on to the bag strap. Leave a long yarn tail so we can sew the strap onto the round clasps later. We'll begin the strap by making a magic ring with 6 single crochets, one, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Next, insert your hook into the back loop of the first stitch to make a bellow single crochet. Then continue working single crochets in back loop only in a spiral. At this point, you'll notice the V shapes gradually turn inward like this. That's totally normal, so just keep going until your strap reaches the length you like. I've made my strap about 16 inches long. Now cut the yarn, leaving a long tail, and sew the strap onto the round clasps. Then attach the clasps to both sides of the bag. Finally, we'll use a needle and thread to sew the clasp onto the top opening of the bag. And that's our cute mini bag all finished. I hope you enjoyed crocheting this simple and elegant design with me. It's such a lovely little bag for everyday use. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!